Unfortunately, the healthcare system in Vanuatu is very poor. There's structural problems, resource problems, human resource problems.
Violence has continued to grow sharply, has increased in the homes. Violence against women and children especially. Level of abuse amongst girl child as we see more and more. Lots of deaths occurring as a result of violence at homes.
We often talk about making a difference, and the question we have to ask is, can we or do we? Here in Vanuatu, just a few hours flying time from the Australian coast, we struggle with all those issues of domestic violence, poverty, social injustice.
While we're enjoying this paradise we call Vanuatu, beneath the paradise, we also have very serious social, economic and moral issues ongoing in this country.
But there's a growing voice here to address these issues finally and to see a change take place. And Marine Reach is now part of all of that. Our new family care centre is going to make all the difference.
Here at the Family Care Center, I have partnered with Marine Reach and the nation of Vanuatu to help develop a diagnostic lab training course in which local NEVANs as well as community healthcare workers and nurses and doctors can come and learn how to identify and diagnose specific diseases that are inherent to this region.
It's very difficult at the moment if a woman is suffering from sexual assault to give evidence apart from telling stories. It's very hard, especially with a culture that women don't openly and cannot openly share their own feelings about what the trauma that they've gone through. This center will be able to give some evidence of it.
Yeah, I think this facility obviously is a huge benefit to the people in this community and in the surrounding area. And it's also a huge benefit as a model of what can be done in a different way.
We've got a training centre. We can take women in who need to be empowered in their respective communities and train them in the area of primary health care or early childhood education programs so that they can go back into their communities and make a difference. It's always extremely fulfilling when you help others. There's nothing better than that emotion, that feeling, and to see a difference been made in the lives of individuals is such a wonderful investment in humanity.
Mo me proud to mas with tomorrow by kat one narawani open we only extend them clinic ya. Mo mi talem thank you to mas lo who we only stop fund them clinic ya only kat consent lo mi vala also mo mi vala katablo teu mavali.
Generally, you have organizations in this country who are doing good work. And the most effective way to help this country is to help those organizations to do that work more effectively.
On behalf of the Ministry of Justice, this is a program that we would like to endorse as part of the ongoing program on addressing prevention on violence against women. And we look forward to working with Marine Reach on establishing referral pathways so that, well, together we can empower our people to care for themselves.
So the question is, can we make a difference? Yes, I believe we can.